Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to charge your JBL Boombox free Wi-Fi. Let's get started. So, as a first step, how to check the battery level. The first way is to check this indicator right here. If it's not blinking and it just lights by white, that means that your speaker is charged enough. But if this indicator is blinking white, that means that's time to charge your speaker. And also, you can check the exact battery percentage in the JBL One application. You can see it right here. Now, let's get to the charging process. So, to charge this speaker, we would need to turn it to the back side so we can see this lid under which we will be able to see input for the charger. And the charger which comes with the device looks like this. This side is meant to be put into the speaker and this one to the source of power. Let's put our speaker on a charge. And now this side to the source of power. And now our speaker is charging. You can see the charging process in the JBL One application, and right here you can see this flash on the battery, which means that our speaker is charging. Now, let's talk about battery life of this speaker. To fully charge the speaker from 0 to 100 will take about 4.5 hours. So it will be better if you will be charging the speaker when you have enough time. And now, when the charging process is finished, this speaker can work up to 24 hours. And that's not all. This JBL Boombox free Wi-Fi speaker has USB port, which can charge your phone if you have a cable. And that's it. Now you know how to charge your JBL Boombox free Wi-Fi. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.